Sora AI is
Sora AI. Sora AI. Sora AI.
There is no drone. There is no camera. You can't travel because the video was generated by AI. It's from a new tool just announced a few hours ago by OpenAI called Sora.
Sora is reshaping filmmaking. It's a fusion of AI and creativity that's redefining aerial shots. It's not just about new angles. It's about capturing the impossible. This OpenAI breakthrough is a game changer, but it's also a wake-up call for drone pilots.
There's two ways that you can actually look at this. The first way is you can be the pilot that just goes on with flying. They don't really care about this or utilize it, and you should be good for about a year. Now, if you're the first pilot, you will get replaced by AI in a year, because this AI will be able to replace anything that you were able to do. It can go and get any of the shots that you need and anything like that.
I want you to take a look at these examples and tell me which one you think is real. It's crazy to think that AI already looks this real. And yes, it's number 2.
Here's the second way of looking at it. You can be a pilot that still flies, but you use this AI to your advantage. You can continue to fly, but while at the same time, you use this AI to enhance your skills and to get shots where you wouldn't be able to get before. You can integrate it with your original footage and build off and become a better pilot. Think of it like this. Who would want to hire an expensive drone pilot when they could just hire someone that knows how to use this technology and is 10 times cheaper? Well, that's mainly why you need to be unique. If you're able to be unique and stand out, then that's how you will not get replaced. Now here's a recent example. Think of ChatGPT. There's people that love it and there's people that hate it. For me, I adopted it and I learned how to use it and how to optimize my content. I used it to even learn how I could improve, how I could learn better skills, how I could even improve all of my camera and filming techniques. And if you can do the same with Sora and this video generation AI, then I think that you should be fine. Really, this is a big jump in the film industry and just a big jump overall. If you're able to adopt this and learn how to utilize it and also combine it with your original content, then I think that you should be okay. This is a wake-up call to you to utilize this technology and to incorporate it into your own footage. Don't be scared of it and don't think that it's dumb and push it off. Give it about a year and you will see the crazy improvements and what everyone is using this for. I'm excited for it and I hope you are too. So just make sure that you utilize this and you're good to go.